Hello, everyone. How are you? Welcome to Seahorse Souls. This is our daily message, just smudging you. Breathe for a minute, relax. These energies are twirling and swirling, and we just need to relax. Remind ourselves to slow down and relax, to be in the moment, to allow things to come and go and not attach to these feelings that are coming and going. Things are shifting for your highest good. We are embodying a higher frequency. So your physical body is feeling this. Maybe you've been feeling things in your hands, your feet, just kind of your body vibrating. Maybe you're more annoyed. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you're bursting with all kinds of energy and creating magical masterpieces, like whatever it is you do. Things are shifting, okay? So breathe. When you start to feel that whatever rising in you that is uncomfortable, stop what you're doing and close your eyes and just breathe and be still. Protect your energy, protect your boundaries. Whatever you need right now is exactly what you need right now. Do not resist. Try not to resist. Okay? It says, I attract only positive people and uplifting experiences into my life. Angel number 204. You are here to speak the truth and share love. Know that God is with you wherever you are. You are here to speak truth and be love. Let everything fall away. Yeah, this Five of Cups here. Again, this loss, this grief, this regret, this abandonment, this unloved feeling, is right here. Your angels really, 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 really want you to dive deep, and this stuff that's on the surface level is keeping you stuck on this surface level, right? Look, more cups. This Ace of Cups. This is about new. New is here. The universe needs for you to meditate, for you to relax, for you to seek the new. Stop seeking old past pain, right? Like that lack mentality needs to be omitted. Look, we've got the Nine of Cups because your angels are like, it's right here. All of your wishes, everything that you have been working towards, fighting for every day, like it is coming to fruition. Okay, do not give up. This is celebration is coming. You are worthy. You are royal. Again, I was drawn to the peacocks. Let's see what message we need. Lots of clearing of fear. I keep very burpy. I keep burping. It says, look, it says, I am proud of the person I am today. I am proud of the person I am today. I am proud of the person I am today. Say that. I am proud of the person I am today because you're here. You're you're breathing. You're with us. You are here for a purpose. Step out of those worries, those doubts, those stresses, those challenges. Just step out of it. Let it be for today. Just say, I'm not going um to engage in this energy, right? Look, justice, hello. This is that balance. This is again, your hard work. You are the outcome is in your favor. This is that balance and harmony flowing in. All right, so don't give up. Tell that ego to be quiet. Quiet. That ego wants to stir the pot. And look, hello, tower. Yes, these changes are here. Things must break and fall to become anew, right? Let it crumble. Let it fall. Let it go. Look, hello, victory. The Six of Wands. I'm reading backwards. Sorry, y'all. I already knew it was Six of Wands, but I was trying to read backwards, and then I confused myself. So everything your heart desires is coming to fruition. It says, I attract only positive people and uplifting experiences into my life. Pay attention to what you are focusing on. You are being called to focus in on your skills. Hone your skill. Pick one thing to work on, right? Focus on it and allow it to develop, allow for it to grow. It doesn't matter if you are fantastic at it yet. That's not what this is about. When we start something new, it doesn't mean that we get it right the first time, right? Like we're doing something new, so there might be like trial and error, right? Start something new. This is calling for you to rise above, to leave things behind that are no longer working for you. Let them go. Let them be. Okay? You are on the rise. This full moon that is coming, I do believe it's a Cancer full moon. It's been very like watery. Maybe you've been shedding some tears. There is purging happening. So allow yourself to flow through whatever these emotions are that pop up. We have the Crow. Universal law and truths are now being revealed. Use this energy to create your reality. You'll see that crow. Maybe you'll find that crow feather. It's all confirmation from your angels that all is in flow. The nuthatcher says stay grounded and welcome the new knowledge and perspective coming to you. I can't make this up. Look at this beautiful bird and look at this feather. And we have the robin. New growth and potential is on the horizon. Reach out and embrace it. Reach out and embrace the new. Let the old go. Let it go. 547. Oops. Angels are working on the prayers and intentions you have sent them. Know that the future is never set in stone, and you will be led towards what is of best service to you and the world. This is why it's important to allow your angels, the divine, to guide you. Stop trying to control it, manipulate it to work in your favor, because it doesn't happen that way. Okay, everything happens by divine law. Look, it says the universal law and truths are now being revealed. What is being revealed to you? Angel number 943, it says you are surrounded and supported by your guides. They are with you all day, all night, all the time. Angel number 18. Your angels are encouraging you to take an inventory of your past experiences in order to understand your current position and lessons. Take an inventory. How can you make adjustments to have more of what you love and omit the things, like pay attention to those patterns and cycles that happen, that brought in maybe things you didn't like, right? Look, new beginnings are here. Your angels want you to embrace new. I don't even think it's really necessary to focus on the past, all right? You know what you've experienced. You know what has happened. It's time to adjust your sail, right? Pay attention to extremes. Don't get caught up in this like romantic, hot looking card, because this isn't necessarily about romance. This is about your behaviors, are you hot-headed? Are you cool-headed? Are you easily triggered? What are you experiencing right now? If you're being triggered, I would suggest pull back and focus on you and not outwardly looking, right? It's very important to pay attention to what your triggers are telling you. You don't have to explain yourself to anyone. Just do what you need to do. Talking is not always a good thing, right? The masculine is on the rise, all right? The masculine is on the rise. Allow the masculine to rise, divine feminine. Where is my book? There we go. Yes. Here we go. It is time to step forward and lead. Be the leader in your own life. You have more power than you think. It is time to formally learn more. Enroll in a course or learn a new skill. Offer your protection to someone weaker than yourself. Take steps to improve your health and vitality. So allow yourself to shift, all right? Allow yourself to grow. Let's see, the energy healing. The path to light. I make the conscious choice to move towards the light one step at a time. I transform my weaknesses into strengths by mastering my thoughts. I overcome obstacles with positivity and acceptance. I develop my gifts and extend my light to every being unconditionally. This beautiful card. Walk on that path to light. We have action. My divine action incites love and harmony. I am aware of my thoughts and I am aware of my thoughts and driven by positive forces. I listen to my heart. My desire to manifest light transforms tests into growth. challenges into opportunity, and fear into love. Let's read this again. My divine action incites love and harmony. I am aware of my thoughts and driven by positive forces. I listen to my heart. My desire to manifest light transforms tests into growth, and challenge into opportunity, and fear into love. Allow yourself to transform. We have creation. It says, I have the power to direct my life. With a constructive attitude, I create what is best for my soul. I firmly believe I can transform and improve my inner and outer world by turning every thought into affirmative action. I act in the image of God and bring light into my life. Welcome this in. $6.54, it says your angels are supporting you through any changes that are necessary at this time. Know that as you make room for the new in your life, you also make room for miracles. Growing pains are not always easy, so do things to disconnect. Do things to embrace your inner child, right? Love and nurture you right now. Angel number 56, it says, take time to assess what you can give in order to receive. Energy always works in the form of exchange. Remember, everything is energy. What you give, you receive. Make sure that what you are giving, you want to receive back. Does that make sense? Angel number 727, you are the magician. You are the priestess or priest. You are the connector of the realms. The power and presence of heaven are with you and within you now. Y'all, there is this magical portal. This 2-2 portal, this energy is all around you. This full moon energy, I believe it's Cancer full moon on the 5th. We're feeling it already, so pay attention. 802, your path will clear when you take time to assess how you can be more present in your relationships. Be present. Pay attention to what you need right now. Today, tonight, this evening, this morning, whenever you're watching this message, it is your moment. Do what feels good. Do what you need right now. I hope this message resonates. I hope that you are doing well. I am sending you love from my heart to your heart, and I will see you in the next video.